Do you need a way to convert your AIFF files into M4A? Well, look no further than WALTR PRO. This app is super simple to use. All you have to do is drag and drop. It handles all the conversions for you. Boom, just like that, it's done. Here you have a sample file in M4A format. You can also choose where you want these files to end up, over in the settings, under files. It's really awesome. So where do you get WALTR PRO, this awesome app? It's by these guys, Softorino. Head over to their website, softorino.com. Under products, hit WALTR PRO. The download button's right there, and just like it says, convert, transfer any file. And it also works to put into your iPhone and iPad. As you can see over here, I can just drag and drop and it'll work the same over Wi-Fi. You should also check out their universal license, as you'll get all of their apps all for one price. I really like Folder Colorizer for Mac. You can see that I'm using it on my desktop here. I ring because I have an iPhone, and if you have Windows, they have you covered as well, with more products coming soon. So that was by Softorino. And make sure you click learn how to help stop the war in Ukraine. Thanks for watching.